Welcome everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing my makeup brushes collection with you. I bought it from an online store at the price of 7.99 rupees. They come packaged in a roll-up case, making it easy to travel. The case is made up of leather, but unfortunately, this set did not come with a guide on how to use the brushes. But luckily, I know my way around makeup brushes and will be sharing with you what I used each brush for. Each brush also comes with a plastic sleeve over them. These brushes feel quite sturdy in your hand, and ferrules did not come loose ones. The bristles are very soft. For my comfort, I wrote their names on them with a marker. This 24 pieces makeup brushes set consists of various kinds of brushes. In the eye and lip brushes, they provide flat eyeshadow brushes, liner brushes, a very small detailer brush, highlighting brush, this is the eyeshadow brush, sponge tip applicator brush, These are the brushes which I use for eye and lip makeup. Then they provide brow brushes, brow comb, a flat brush, a mascara brush also. Next they provide a blush brush, contour brush, a powder brush and bronzer brush which I use for applying foundation also sometimes. Next are highlighter brushes used for applying highlighter on the face. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please like and subscribe my channel for more.